In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your Samsung phone. So if you're selling your device and you want to go and reset everything back to its original settings, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up the settings on your Android device. And we need to make sure all of our data is backed up. So if you scroll all the way down, you can click on Accounts and Backup, and you'll have a few different options here in order to back up your data. So you can either back up your data to the Samsung Cloud, or you can also back your data up to the Google Drive as well. So I would recommend doing this before you go and delete all of your data, and that way you'll still have a backup that you can go and move over to your other devices. So once you've done this, go and click on Manage Accounts. And in this list of accounts, if you see a Google account, we need to first go and remove this. So I'm going to click on my account like this. You can then press the Remove Account button, and then you can just go and confirm this by clicking the Remove button. You can then head back over to the main settings page, and now we can go and delete everything on our phone. So we're just going to scroll down to the General Management and click on this. You can then click on Reset at the bottom of the page. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on Factory Data Reset. And it's going to give you a list of all of the things that will be deleted on your phone. So this is basically going to wipe your Samsung phone so it will be like new when you first purchased it out of the box. So if you're happy to do this, you can just press the reset button, and that's how to delete everything on your Samsung phone.